Welcome to the CPAP Shop's YouTube page. Learn how to replace the cushion of the Fisher and Paykel Solo Nasal Mask in this video. The Solo Nasal CPAP Mask is the first of its kind, allowing simple mask usage and fitting for all users. This mask simply stretches over your head and onto your face. It can dynamically respond to a user's movement in their sleep, reducing the risk of air leaks throughout the night. The Solo features dynamic support technology in the nasal cushion, allowing freedom of movement while keeping the cushion comfortably in place. The auto-lock technology incorporated into this mask securely holds the cushion in place all night long while a user sleeps. To remove the cushion from the mask, simply pull it apart from the frame. Grab a new cushion and push it gently onto the frame. It's that easy. Just like that, your mask is ready for use again. We wish you luck with your CPAP therapy. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call our customer care team at 866-414-9700.